Today I'm going to show a really fast tip how to line a springform pan. I've got some parchment paper here. Open your springform pan. Put the paper on top. Take your ring, place it over, make sure it's nice and tight. Close the ring. There we go. And now take a knife, or just use your hand and go around and just break off all of the paper. And there we go. Perfect, fast and easy. So that's it for this really fast video tip. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.